In a world filled with sexual imagery and pressures, finding a way to desexualize your brain can feel daunting, yet liberating. The first step involves recognizing the influence of media on your thoughts and emotions. Everything from advertisements to movies bombards us with sexual cues that can unconsciously shape our desires. Begin by curating your media consumption. Choose content that promotes intellectual stimulation, creativity, or emotional depth. You'd be surprised how shifting your focus brings clarity and allows your mind to explore new realms beyond the sexual. Next, adopting mindfulness practices can be an effective way to train your mind. Mindfulness encourages present moment awareness, helping you to recognize when your mind wanders into sexual territory. Engage in daily meditation, focusing on your breath and grounding yourself in the sensations of the present. This practice cultivates a sense of control and opens pathways for self-discovery, enabling you to redirect your thoughts intentionally when they become fixated on sexual concepts. Additionally, engaging in physical activities can be incredibly helpful in desexualizing your brain. Sports, yoga, or dance not only promote physical well-being, but also channel energy, transforming potentially distracting thoughts into a more productive outlet. These activities allow you to connect more deeply with your body in a non-sexual way, fostering a sense of appreciation and vitality that diminishes the focus on sexualization. Moreover, educating yourself about sexuality and relationships can shift the narratives that inhabit your mind. Read books, attend workshops, or engage in discussions that cover emotional intimacy, respect, and the importance of non-sexual companionship. Expanding your knowledge in this way brings a more comprehensive understanding of human relationships, allowing you to approach sexuality from a balanced perspective. Lastly, surround yourself with supportive individuals who respect your journey toward desexualizing your brain. Open dialogues with friends about your goals can offer encouragement and accountability. Creating an environment where non-sexual interactions take precedence allows you to embrace friendships that flourish beyond attraction, bringing a richness to your life. Desexualizing your brain isn't an overnight transformation, but each intentional step leads to a more serene mental landscape. It's a beautifully rewarding journey of self-exploration, growth, and understanding that ultimately fosters a healthier relationship with yourself and those around you, shifting your perceptions in meaningful ways.